So this is the problem we're solving. These file rooms take a lot of space, and getting these folders and all these things put together are time consuming, cost money, all those stickers, the space, it all costs money. What we're doing is we're installing this scanning unit. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to scan a repair order. Gonna load up the repair order, and see this little battery test receipt? Just put it up there. Click on scan repair order. It's gonna scan front and back, 60 pages a minute. It's gonna scan those battery test receipts. It's gonna pull up the repair order number off of the repair order, 123276. Click OK. That gets saved as a PDF. Click on view. Now your entire dealership has access to this document. What we do is we install the viewer in everyone's machines, and they can see the contents of the repair order. It is that simple. Dealer scanning, repair order scanning.